My lord, my humble submission is...
Are you also in this case, Mr. Mohammed? Yes. Are you also in this case?
My lord, I'm assisting Mr. Maktoum Ali Khan in the same matter, my lord.
Okay, sorry.
I was counseling.
We wanted to hear the other version as well. Because all of you seem to be on the same side in a way. So we wanted better articulation of the contrary viewpoint. Who would canvass that viewpoint? Anyone in the court who will canvass the contrary viewpoint with some level of seriousness.
Except Sana Baloch, everyone.
Sir, if you allow me just...
Anyone in this courtroom who wants to canvass the contrary viewpoint with the level of seriousness, we would like to hear. Because you're an Attorney General and most of them are just saying what you are on the same side.
My lord, I would like to submit.
Kaun bol raha hai?
From Lahore. Khurram Raza from Lahore, my lord.
Okay, then you please make yourself attend here. We don't want to hear important cases on video link. If you are serious about this case, come to Islamabad.
My lord, I will.
Someone who has the opposite viewpoint, senior counsel, Mr. Maktoum Ali Khan.
My lord,
the contrary viewpoint.
I think all the respondents...
Where is Mr. Shoaib Shaheen? He was here in the morning. Would he be canvassing the contrary viewpoint? Shoaib Shaheen sahab chale gaye? Acha.
Mr. Babar Avans supported the lifetime ban in the Samuel Baloch case, so he might be a...
कौन बोल रहा है? आप किस point? Mr. Qayyum, what about yourself? What about yourself? What about yourself? Which view are you supporting? Lifetime ban?
I am supporting the law. I am against lifetime ban.
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए।